Okay, write each ratio as a fraction in simplest form. So it's 15 out of 30, and 15 out of 30 reduces to 1/2. So 25 to 10 is 25 out of 10, or 25 over 10. So this reduces to 5 over 2. And 4 out of 16 is 4 out of 16, and that reduces to 1/4. So you can write, these are different ways of writing ratios. You can always write ratios as these fractions. And then number 2, solve each proportion. So to solve a proportion, you circle the diagonals and you multiply them. So 3 times 60 equals 5 times A. So 180 equals 5A. You divide both sides by 5. So 180 divided by 5 is 36. So A equals 36. And then B, circle the diagonals. So it's 8 times B equals 7 times 96. So 7 times 96 is 672. So you divide both sides by 8. So B equals 672 divided by 8. And you get 84. And then the last one, you multiply, or you circle the diagonals. So it's 40 C's, because 40 times C is 40 C. And then 8 times 85 is 680. And you divide both sides by 40. So 680 divided by 40 is 17. Number 3, the scale on a map is 4 inches to 24 miles. So you can write this as a fraction. 4 inches, 25 miles. Find the actual distance between two places who are 10 inches apart. So if I have 4 inches up here, I'm going to write 10 inches on the top. And I want to find the distance, miles, and x. So again, I'm going to circle the diagonals. So it's 4x equals 250, because 10 times 25 is 250. Divide each side by 4. So 250 divided by 4 is 62.5. 250 divided by 4, 62.5. And my unit, since it's distance, is miles. And then number 4, the triangles are similar. So you set up a proportion, 2 equal fractions. So 20 over 32 equals x over 8. So 32x equals 20 times 8, which is 160. Divide both sides by 32. So 160 divided by 32 is 5. So determine whether the following ratios form a proportion. So proportion are when these two are equal. These fractions are equal. So is 2/5 equal to 10/25? If they are equal, it means that when you circle the diagonals and you multiply them, it means those two numbers are equal. So it's 2 times 25 is 50. 5 times 10 is 50. Those two are equal, so yes, they form a proportion. Now we'll check 9 over 96. Is that equal to 2 over 21? So when you circle the diagonals, is 2 times 96 equal to 9 times 21? So 2 times 96 is 192. Is that equal to 9 times 21? Is 189. It's not. So no, these do not form a proportion. In the last problem, an athlete measures her heart rate while exercising. Her heart beats 32 times in 15 seconds. Find her heart rate per minute. So let's write a fraction for 32 times in 15 seconds. But it wants to know per minute. So per minute is how many seconds? Well, 1 minute is 60 seconds. So I don't know how many times it beeps. Or it beats. So I'm going to cross multiply. So it's going to be 15 times x equals 32 times 60, which is 1920. So to solve for x, I divide both sides by 15. So x equals this divided by 15 is 128 beats.